Hello, my name is Jake Dahl, and I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing here at Onsharp. We have a passion for helping businesses achieve greater success by building solutions that are as unique as the businesses we serve. When you partner with us, you get an expert team that guides your project from start to finish, so you can rest easy knowing that your project is on track, on time, and on budget. You've heard that software projects are stressful. There are a lot of moving parts and often you have tight timelines. We are on a mission to change that with our proven process that's designed to take the stress and guesswork out of your project. With a structured step-by-step approach, from initial planning and strategy all the way through final delivery, every phase is carefully communicated and managed. Let's take a look at our discover, develop, and deliver process. First, discover. Every successful project starts with discovery. This is where we take the time to map out everything to eliminate surprises and create the blueprint for your project. We take the time to really get to know your business. We want to understand your pain points, your goals, and what keeps you up at night. During this project phase, we will guide you through a series of workshops covering everything from technology to design to project scope and a lot more. We then take everything we learn to create a detailed plan that you know exactly what your final project will look like, what it will cost, and how long it will take to build. Step 2, develop. Then comes the fun part of development, where we take your vision that was created in discovery and turn it into a real solution. Our team of experts gets to work building a scalable solution from the solid foundation laid during the discovery phase, taking the stress out of software development. Finally, it's time for our favorite part, deliver the solution for you to use. We deliver your finished project and guide your team in implementing it so that you get the maximum value out of your investment. The other part that makes us different from other development agencies, delivery doesn't mean the end of our partnership. It's just the beginning. We're here to provide ongoing support and ensure that your solution continues to serve you and your team no matter how your business evolves. From maintenance to updates, our commitment is to ensure your solution will keep delivering value for your company. At Onsharp, we're all about making the complex simple. Our software development is meant to give you a clear plan and path to success with a dedicated team that's with you every step of the way. If you're ready to bring your project to life with a partner you can trust, reach out to us. We're excited to help you achieve greater success.